The Huawei Mate 70 Air will be officially unveiled on November 6, bearing the model number SUPAL90, has appeared in China Telecom's product database. The Huawei Mate 70 Air has already appeared in hands-on photos shared on the Chinese social network Weibo. The smartphone's design is very similar to the regular Huawei Mate 70. The Mate 70 Air is just over 6 mm thick. The device features a 6.9-inch display supporting a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It will be available in two configurations, 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB, and will be offered in color options such as golden black, feather white, and silver brocade. The Mate 70 Air is said to feature a 50MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP periscope telephoto camera. The Mate 70 Air is rumored to be getting a massive 6,500 mAh battery that can be charged via USB-C at up to 66 watts. Huawei is preparing to launch the Mate 80 series in China, expected to debut in November. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.